Hi, I'm Philip Daniel with Fix It with Phil, and this week we're going to help out a Cleveland native.
Our team became aware of the home repair needs of an elderly Cleveland native whose house was recently in danger of being condemned. Newly installed fascia boards needed paint, broken front steps were a safety hazard, the kitchen floor was uncovered subfloor, and there were cracks in the brick exterior. The Worth construction team is honored to have helped this lifelong community resident stay in the only house he's ever known.